Dear students, today we will learn operations in decimal notation. Money. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 50 paise is equal to rupees 0.50. Similarly, 10 paise is equal to rupees 0.10. 1 paisa is equal to rupees 0.01. Let's solve first example. A pair of shoes cost rupees 1846 and 60 paise. A pair of trousers cost 1208 rupees 75 paise and a shirt cost rupees 675 25 paise. Find the total cost of all the three articles. So let's see the solution. Cost of the shoes is equal to 1846 rupees 60 paise. Cost of the trousers is equal to 1208 rupees 75 paise. Cost of the shirt is equal to 675 rupees 25 paise. 0 plus 5. So next we have to add all the three articles. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. So I will write 6 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So I will write 0 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13. So I will write 3 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 carry. Next 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is total cost is equal to rupees 3730 60 paise. Let's solve second one. Ramesh had rupees 1200 with him. He went to the market and bought grocery for 665 rupees 75 paise, vegetables for 75 rupees 80 paise, sweets for 112 rupees 20 paise and spent 25 rupees on conveyance. How much money was left with him? Let's see the solution. Amount spent is equal to ₹665 75 paise, 75 rupees 80 paise, 112 rupees 20 paise and 25 rupees. Next we have to add all the money. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 0 is 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 5 18. So I will write 8 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So I will write 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So amount left. Next we have to subtract 878 rupees 75 paise from 1200 rupees. 1200 minus 878 rupees 75 paise. 0 minus 5 is not possible to subtract, so we have to borrow from the next number. The next number is 0, so we can't borrow, so we go for a next number. The next number is 0, so we can't borrow, so we go for a next number. Next number also 0, so we can't borrow, so we go for a next number. Your next number is 2. If you borrow from 2, then 2 becomes 1 and your 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and your 0 becomes 10. Next 10 becomes 9 and your 0 becomes 10. Next 10 becomes 9 and your 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 8 is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from next number. Your next number is 1. If you borrow from 1, then 1 becomes 0 and your 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So the answer is rupees 321.25 paise. Let's solve exercise 3. A bicycle costs rupees 885.75 paise. Find the cost of 15 such bicycles. Let's see the solution. Cost of one bicycle is equal to 885 rupees 75 paise. Therefore, cost of 15 bicycles is equal to rupees 885.75 paise into 15. 885 rupees 75 paise into 15. 5 5s are 25, so I will write 5 here and 2 carry. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 2 37, so I will write 7 here and 3 carry. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 3 is 28, so I will write 8 here and 2 carry. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42, so I will write 2 here and 4 carry. Next 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4 is 44. Next 1 into 5 is 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8. Next we have to add both the products. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, so I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, so I will write 6 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next 4 plus 8 is 12, so I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 13,286 rupees 25 paise. Let's solve fourth example. I brought a dozen notebooks for rupees 219. What is the price of one notebook? Let's see the solution. Price of one dozen. One dozen is equal to 12 notebooks is equal to rupees 219. Therefore, price of one notebook is equal to rupees 219 divided by 12. So next we have to divide 219 by 12. Twelve ones are 12. 1 minus 2. Is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from next number. The next number is 2. If you borrow from 2, then 2 becomes 1, and here 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next we have to take 9 down. 12 8s are 96. Nine minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. Here decimal point is there, so we have to put here decimal point. Next 12 2s are 24. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 3, then 3 becomes 2, and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next we have to take 0 down. 12 5s are 60. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So the answer is rupees 18.25 paise. Today's homework: solve exercise 10G in your math.